Welcome back to BikeZone channel. Today we're excited to take a closer look at the 2025 Yamaha R15. Known for its blend of performance and style, this new model is raising the bar in the sport bike segment. Let's dive into what makes the 2025 R15 a standout choice for riders. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 R15 features a striking, aerodynamic design that captures attention. With its aggressive lines, redesigned fairings, and bold LED headlights, this bike not only looks fast but is built for it. The new color options, including vibrant hues and matte finishes, enhance its sporty appeal, making it a head-turner on the road. Engine and performance. At the heart of the R15 lies a 155cc liquid-cooled engine, delivering a thrilling 18.6 horsepower. The upgraded variable valve actuation (VVA) technology ensures optimal performance across the RPM range, providing excellent torque for both city riding and highway cruising. Paired with a 6-speed transmission, the acceleration is smooth and responsive, making every ride an exhilarating experience. Technology and features. Yamaha has packed the 2025 R15 with advanced technology. The fully digital instrument cluster offers real-time data, including speed, gear position, and fuel consumption. Bluetooth connectivity is a game-changer, allowing riders to access navigation and call features right from the dashboard. Additionally, selectable ride modes let you tailor the performance to your preferences. Comfort and handling. Comfort is essential for any sport bike, and the R15 delivers with an ergonomic design that enhances rider posture. The suspension setup, featuring a telescopic front fork and a rear monoshock, ensures a smooth ride, even on uneven surfaces. Its lightweight chassis contributes to agile handling, making it easy to navigate through city traffic or twisty mountain roads. Safety features. Safety has not been overlooked. The 2025 R15 comes standard with dual-channel ABS, providing reliable braking performance under various conditions. Coupled with a robust frame and quality tires, this bike offers a confident ride, whether you're a beginner or an experienced rider. Conclusion. The 2025 Yamaha R15 is a compelling combination of style, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're commuting or enjoying a weekend ride, this bike is designed to impress. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think of the new R15? We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for joining BikeZone.